Hey everybody, Heather from Pickin here. I am surrounded by amazingness. There's popcorn here and behind me. We're going to be unboxing each and every one of these huge boxes in just this one video, and I'm going to show you everything that's inside.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below.
All right, we're going to open each and every one of these boxes, and they are already available on hookedonpickin.com. So by the time you see this video, they're already there. I'm going to move these out of my way so we can have some room to work. $5.49 per bag, all the way up to $6.99 depending on the flavor. So many good flavors. So let's see which ones we actually are putting on the store. And we'll show you what they look like. They're all 6-cup bags. They're all resealable bags. Okay, this one is, looks like, let's see what kind this yumminess is. This is, ooh, kettle corn. I love kettle corn. We put this on the fire sale last week and they just blew out. So we sold out of them really fast, so I'm really glad we have them back in stock. So kettle corn there. Awesome. Gonna have to figure out a method here. Okay. All right. All my open boxes go over here. All right. What's in this one? Oh my goodness. Very heavy. This one's a very heavy one. Heavy means yummy. That's all I know. This one is, oh, lemon cheesecake. So yummy and scrumptious.
We've been out of both of these.
We have been sold out of these, so I'm super glad that these are back on the store, and we ordered double of everything that we sold out of last time, so you'll be excited to know that. All right, what else do we got? And then this box says, actually on the side, kettle corn. So we know that we've already looked at that one and saw how yummy that one is. All right, what's in this box? This is fantastic. Most of the customers that have already received their first bags of this gourmet popcorn have already reordered a second bag and a third bag because they loved it so much. Oh, here's one of our, I think this is one of our new flavors. Oh my goodness, it's so heavy. I don't know if I can get this out. Hold on, I'm gonna have to turn the box on its side because I can't lift it. I'm too short. Okay. That's a little easier. There. All right. Oh, it fell. Thank you for noticing that. We're going to put it up here. There. So it doesn't hit it. There we go. All right. I think this is a new one. Oh, it is. Cookies and cream. Look at how yummy. I bet it tastes like Oreos, chocolate chip cookies. Oh man, that looks amazing.
Awesome.
Cookies and cream. Paul wants to eat this entire box right now. He wants it right now. All right. Now this one is much lighter, different, but all the bags are the same size. I don't know which one this one is. White cheddar. This is a new one for us. This is a new flavor for us. And I actually ordered this because my daughter Lexi loves white cheddar. Lots of different things that are white cheddar. She likes the white cheddar Cheetos. She likes white cheddar. And so we thought, well, let's order some white cheddar. Since she likes it so much, there's got to be other people that like it as well. And then, okay, and here is another box of cookies and cream. It's upside down. So I'm just going to move this over here. All right.
Why don't you combine that, or you're going to get stacked up?
That's true. Because I have so many boxes. Hello! Sorry. I couldn't help it. Ridiculous. Me and the box are fighting, and the box is winning. There. That's what I think of the box. That's what I think of the box. Okay. Oh, this is hard work, this popcorn yumminess. Okay. Come on, Heather. Straight line. Straight line, Heather. You can do it. I believe in you. I have to pump myself up. Keep myself going. All right. We have... What yumminess will we find in this box? Bacon cheddar. This has been a hot seller for us as well.
We're out of bacon cheddar too.
We are out of bacon cheddar. We're out of all the yumminess, which is all of them. Every single kind is yummy. All right, let's see what is this one. This one's a heavy one. The sweet ones seem to be a bit heavier. Here, this one is not sweet. This one's light. This one is extra cheddar. Yum. All right, then we have cotton candy. So
awesome.
pink. I think that needs to be a Mother's Day gift. Needs to be a Mother's Day gift. I just feel
Anytime gift.
needs to. I will eat this any day of the week. Look how huge it is.
How many ounces?
This one is 14 ounce. 14 ounce bag. Almost a pound of popcorn. All right. I'm going to put this one over here so I can start filling that one with boxes. We're still working on this guy. So we do store all of this in climate control. Like I said, it's going to be available on hookedonpickin.com. We actually have been premiering 2 different kinds on every fire sale. Last week, I think we had dill pickle and kettle corn. This week, not sure what we're going to put yet. But speaking of dill pickle, there it is. Yummy, yummy in the tummy. Who's hungry? Who wants to eat the popcorn right now? I'm going to eat a bag when I get done just because of all this hard work. I think I should. What do you guys think? You think I deserve a bag of popcorn for burning all the calories, showing you all the different flavors? This one is extra buttery. That does look very buttery. Very, very, probably way better than movie theater popcorn.
That was the other one we sold out of.
Yeah. Who knew extra buttery? Butter is good, though. I'm sorry. It just is. Especially the way they flavor it. Oh, something about it. Okay, and this one says dill pickle again. So this one's dill pickle. I think I have a system here now.
You're sliding them all in, pull up, so we can easily look at it and see later, right?
No. I'm
awesome.
Making sure that I slide them in the most chaotic way possible to drive you crazy, Paul.
Thank you, I appreciate
That's exactly what I'm going for.
You're the love of my
Insanity.
life. Wow.
Pure insanity. But I'm glad you said that because I will from now on.
Oh, that's great.
Alrighty.
Doing a great job over there, Heather.
Thanks. Working hard. Hardly working hard. Something like that. All right. Now let's just do these. This is why my arms never get out of shape. What do we have in here? We have another bacon cheddar. Ooh, here's a new one. Ready? I want to see it. Buffalo wing. And this tastes just like buffalo sauce. Tastes exactly like buffalo sauce. And then the other box in here is another buffalo wing. So we made the mistake of only ordering 1 box last time of each flavor. And I think we have restocked and done 2 boxes even of our new stuff. Because we want to make sure that we don't run out when you guys love a flavor. What? Oh my word, this thing weighs 100 tons. Okay.
Good job, Heather.
We're going to open this and then turn this one on the side because I know I won't be able to lift any of the boxes in here. Because it's going to be 1,000,000 pounds. Okay. Just trying to get it out. There we go. What is this one? Oh. Birthday cake. Yummy! Look at the sprinkles! So yumminess.
Beautiful.
Yep. We have 2 boxes of birthday cake in this box. And then we have
What's
this
making
one.
it so heavy?
Yeah, I think this guy's a heavy one. This one says 12 ounces. But I don't believe it. I don't believe that. I think it's heavier than that. Of course, a lot of 12, I mean, that's 18 bags of 12 ounces. So that's heavy enough. Okay, this one is white cheddar again. So we've got the second box of white cheddar. All right, 2 more boxes to go. Are you guys excited? Everybody's like, where's my favorite one? I would love you to leave in the comment section below. What's your favorite flavor? Which one is like, I must order it, I must order it, I must order it now. I know I terrify people. I get so many comments. They're like, stop waving that box cutter around. You're going to slice your face off. What is your favorite popcorn? If you could pick any kind, which one would be your fave? Okay, we have another box of extra buttery. We have a lemon cheesecake. Ooh, here's a new kind we haven't seen yet on this video. This one is jalapeno cheddar. Now, jalapeno, a lot of people think it's going to be crazy spicy. It does have a bit of a bite to it, but it's still tolerant. I mean, it's got the kind of the popcorn to calm it down.
Yeah.
But it's really good.
It's not so hot that you want to...
Yeah, it's not burn your face off hot. All right, one more box, guys. One more box of goodness. And then we're going to put it all on Hooked on Pickin. You'll be able to find it there already by the time this video airs. But we wanted to share our happiness with you. So far we've seen new ones. Birthday cake, cookies and cream, white cheddar. I feel like there's one more. I'm trying to remember. Okay, we have in here, I don't think we pulled this one out. Okay. Caramel corn. Now that's a lot of caramel on caramel corn. This is not the Walmart caramel corn that's been in the tin for days and it's stale. Fresh yumminess. Most people who have ordered the caramel corn have ordered it again. So we have caramel corn, extra cheddar, and another caramel corn in here. So our new flavors are what? Cookies and cream, birthday cake, buffalo wing, and there was one more. White cheddar. All the other flavors we actually already still had on the store, but they sold out so fast. So we reordered all of them, and so you'll be able to find all of us on hookedonpickin.com. So you just go straight there, look for Bell's Gourmet Popcorn, and then you'll be able to find everything. Everything ranges from prices $2.49 is the cheapest bag up to $6.99. So some of those that are kind of coated with a little bit more stuff is the $6.99 price, but you'll be able to find all of those, and then it calculates shipping for combined shipping for everything you buy in the store. So you can buy popcorn and a bunch of the other stuff we have on hookedonpickin.com. But hopefully you had fun seeing all the yummy goodness that we finally have back on the store. I'm super excited. And of course, remember in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. Make sure you go to hookedonpickin.com to check out all the stuff we have for sale. We even have reseller helps for those of you wanting to jump into the reseller world business. Make sure you join us on Fridays at noon Central Standard Time for our fire sales if you want to see all the fun stuff we have for sale, as well as checking out our Pickin's mystery boxes. Those have been a huge hot seller for us lately. Basically, you get a $25, $50, or $75 box, and we put more than that dollar amount inside the box. And it's kind of a fun thing. We have different categories to choose from, so check those out. They're called Pickin's Mystery Box, and you go to hookedonpickin.com to find them.